What's going on, everybody? Happy, beautiful Sunday. We're probably hours or days away from finding whether we're going to do a pump or a dump, either one of the two. I don't think consolidation. I just think a breakout or a dump because we are basically at the end of this symmetrical wedge. We've been talking about it for a while in the lives and the videos. And if you're paying attention, it's getting close to a squeeze. And I'm liking it. By the way, crypto is actually turning green to my surprise. It's Sunday, so typically Sundays at the end, when Asia wakes up, it's Monday or so, it turns bearish. But if things continue happening, guess what? Where's the fear? Where's the neutral? Things are starting to get greedy. And I was looking at, DEX tools and, DeFi. Things are starting to get a little bit more green, which we like, everybody. I mean, things obviously were crazy this week with the FOMC, with all the things about Hong Kong and all the bunch of stuff and news. But reality might be that we're just kind of like going back to a normal pace. And that's very bullish for us. Let me tell you the full story, guys, because we got bull flag indicators, people saying we might have a nice rally coming up for Shiba Inu, and also 110. Listen to this: 110 trillion Shiba Inu were bought in basically 403, 405. So there's a nice bubble that we are living right now. And there's a lot of people who, as soon as Shiba Inu rises, they're going to be in the profit. Is that you? Well, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those notification bells. Welcome, Shiba Inu Army. How we feeling? So let me show you guys first and foremost, what are the cryptos that are losing the last 24 hours on Shiba Inu is right there. Winning in the last 24 hours. Jasmy is actually doing phenomenal. So I'm really happy with my BingX account. Looks like this. $5,000 and on Shiba Inu and only 300 on Jasmy. So I'm really excited, that we're making money. I know some of you hold it. So I just wanted to give you those news. We go to the day right now, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Yesterday, we talked about the breakout, and as expected, we couldn't, right? I told you guys, we haven't been able to do it. We haven't been able to do it. But I was hinting you, hey, gotta be paying attention, right? And over the last week, on the 22nd, once again, over the last couple of months, at the beginning of April or late March, once again, and all the way back to the beginning of March. So here. How many times Shiba Inu wants to break out, but we can't? That is completely, programmed, manipulated. But thankfully, we're coming to the end, and that means, Oscar, that either one of the two is going to happen. We'll have an 18 coming up or a 30 plus coming up. What do you think is going to happen? Well, here's what I see occurring. And the only place you have to go through is BTC. Where's Bitcoin heading? What's the similar pattern that Bitcoin is taking? Well, I'm going to go ahead and clear everything using my Lux Algo indicator. First link down below, everybody. Heavily recommend if you're looking for something to trade or invest. You won't regret it. It's really, really good. One of the partners of the channel. We are not passing the Neo Cloud. This is what we call in the Neo Cloud right here, indicating that Bitcoin, let's go ahead and put a price, 73, 71, 72, 67, 64. So we're putting lower highs, on average, okay? So it means that BTC is not yet being able to break the pattern, break that price structure. There's a price structure here, and I think you can see it, right? It's a lot of buys and sells based on different stories. This is the day. So it's all, 61, 62 days long, this price structure, which is a unique one that we have. Much different than this price structure. So this was something else. This was something else. And this is something else. Every week or day or period, it's all different kind of price structure. So we need to go to the next one. And the next one, based on what I'm seeing the last couple of days, is turning bullish. Now, is there something happening on Monday? Is there something happening next week that might justify that the price of, Shiba Inu or Bitcoin or Ethereum, here it is, will go down, will crash? Well, not necessarily, right? It's just the beginning of May. We don't have FOMC meetings. We may have some, obviously, always inflation rates. Thankfully, we haven't heard anything when it comes to the conflict overseas. I don't really see why not the price of crypto can rally, period, right? Stocks, I believe, holding decent, haven't checked them up in a while, but they're not collapsing, right? Only Starbucks and other ones. But that's about it. I mean, in my opinion, we are primed to go higher. And that's gonna make us really, really happy because we've been waiting for that. Now, showing you this, market analysts expecting Shiba Inu 120 spike amid solid bullish wave. That solid bullish wave is kind of what I'm talking about. Consolidating in bullish flag in the 8-hour frame, increase of successful breakout, expecting solid bullish wave, expecting 100 to 120 bullish wave. So what is this? If we come closer, I love this kind of like price channel TA. That's the beginning of March. That's exactly what we're talking about. We're going this way. Somewhat of a bull flag, absolutely. Now they're saying that we're gonna go to, excuse me. Okay, that is all-time high. The number that you have right here is 408. That is all-time high. I agree to a certain extent that we're gonna do that, but not in that pattern because that is like obviously injecting what 10 plus, 20 plus, 30 plus $1 trillion, just sorry, $1 billion to the market cap just because Shiba Inu wants to pump. I do agree we're gonna get there, but not that fast. This is obviously somebody who just wanted just to make a point, right? I get it. We're gonna get there, but not by that kind of pattern, right? We have momentum. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, this is a nice one. So we have momentum, and right here it's exactly what Shiba Inu had, and this is kind of what we're following. So we are trying to find if we can break free. They're using the 1-day Bollinger Bands, and it's kind of like we haven't been able to break this, and it's true. Like this upper is what we've been waiting for such a long time. We're in the middle. So if we go back here, that is the middle symmetrical wedge that in the neo cloud that we're trying to break free to reach much higher prices. You see, it's all related, it's all correlated. So I like that. Now this one, the race to zero, will 110 trillion SHIB holders key to 100% price pump. And what it basically boils down to is that there's 327,000 Shiba Inu addresses between 4026 and 4034. It's pretty close to the current price of Shiba Inu. So it implies that over all of these addresses will require Shiba Inu to increase to 405 to break even. Meaning that, I mean, there might be sell-offs, obviously, but I mean, we're going to start making money at that level. And I agree. There's a chance for us to create some capital, but we just need SHIB to start rallying. And based on the reasons that I gave you, I see this upcoming week as a bullish one, to be honest with you. I mean, this one was kind of like bearish consolidating with all the news. But if today we're starting to see the bulls, the green, I am expecting a nice, interesting Sunday night for all of us. I see you live later today, and thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.